tripod's secure on there. What? Evening! Hey up, we have people! How are we all doing? Are we all okay? Happy bonfire night. Hey up, Simon. I'm in my mum's summer house and it's really cold. We've got 10 minutes, so plenty of time. If you've just thought, oh, Sophie's live tonight and I forgot, you've got time to get your gym stuff on. Off you go. Hi, Holly. Broken from last night. Yeah, same. It's my ass. My bum cheeks really hurt. Anyone else? Hi, Jenny. You are on it. I love it. Talking about with your mum today. It's like she's just on it, isn't she? Hi, James. James, are you doing it? Please, see you are. Hi, Paris. Yay, my David Lloyd crew. Hey, it's asking me if I want you to join the screen with me. What do you think? I know that'd be a definite no. You're a back row crew, aren't you? Oh, this is good. We've got people anyway. We're in the conservatory. It's freezing in here. I know. You'll be thankful though. As soon as we get warm, you'll be like, yes. So I'll just give people a few minutes to log in and get set, and then I'll go through what we're doing. If you've got any questions, fire away. James is working. Oh, you're working late? That's rubbish. Okay, a few minutes. So I'll just go through a risk assessment. Make sure you've got plenty of space around you and above you. We will be jumping, but you don't have to. You can do the whole workout low impact. Make sure you've got a mat. If you haven't got a mat, just grab a towel or something like that. What else do I need to say? Do not take part if you're pregnant. Yeah. Make sure you. I should advise you to wear trainers, really. But if you can't, just be careful when you're jumping, not to cockle. Protect your ankles. You're taking part at your own risk because I cannot see you. I've met a lot of you and I know that you're all, your technique's spot on, so that's good. Just got in from work. You've got time? Come on, Laura. Hey, 20 people, that's good. So this time with the shuffle, once we've got some moves, I'm actually going to take them out of the pack because I want different moves every time tonight. And then our last round is going to be a firework round. It's back to front, innit? So we're going to do rocket launchers, we're going to do sparklers, and so on. Dancing with somebody. How many people are pretending to do it? How many people are just in their pajamas already? Come on, you've still got time. Christmas is one day, so don't undo all your hard work for one day, just because it's winter. Hi, Lindsay. It's so nice to actually know you all as well. I've met quite a few of you. Hey up, it's PW Brooks. Are you one of my David Lloyders as well? You joined the group the other day and my boyfriend was like, oh, I know him. Apparently you know him. Have you got your partner with you as well? Awesome. We need to make sure all the David Lloyd group know about my group because this is our class, isn't it? A Thursday and Friday night. 5 minutes. Oh, have fun, Lisa. That sounds lovely. Yeah, the good thing about winter, when you do your workout... Hi, Tracy! It feels good, doesn't it, getting a hot shower and getting your jams on thinking, I can enjoy hot chocolate now. Hi, Chris! Chris Werner. Where have you come from? Oh, you met Gary on a stag do. Becky's slacking. Also, it's such a small world. Welcome to the group, Chris. Chris, is it Christopher or Christine? Are you a boy or a girl? This is good. We've got a good number tonight. Come on, talk to me. Who are you? Where have you come from? Has someone recommended the group to you? Do you want low impact options? Are you new to Hiit or are you quite fit? Like, yeah. Introduce yourselves to the crazy gang. You'll soon get to know them all. They're so positive. Hi Hannah, back for more. Who's joining me at 7 o'clock in the morning? We go again, that's right. And we're going to do low impact in the morning. So boxing and low impact. Oh, hi, Jo. I know, my dog is the same. She's really frightened. Oh, is it your mum? Brilliant. Hi, Lindsay. Is it Christine then? My mum's Christine. Right, when I move, I'm a bit worried that my tripod falls off the table. So, if it does... Oh, is this another new one? Sonia, hey Sophie, watched you lots. Gonna join in tonight. Member of Lloyd's too. Yay! Hoping this will give me confidence, and then I need to click see more to join in the real world. Absolutely. It's available for everyone, everyone's abilities. Hi Anne. This is why I like to log in a bit earlier so I can answer questions and stuff. And remind people to get the gym kit on. Oh, well, welcome to the group. Sonia. Oh, it's so good to have new people. Love it. You will build the confidence. I've had people who have never even stepped foot in a gym before. They've done Hiit at home and they've got the confidence to come to my classes, and it's amazing. And they've come back again and again and again. Ooh. Lots of people. I said to my sister earlier, I was like, if I don't get any more than 10 people, I might just stick to the morning workouts. Looks like I might be doing the evening ones too. 2 minutes team. So we're going to start with a warm-up. We've got 8 rounds of Tabata. 2 surfers and 2 Christines. Oh yeah, didn't think about that. So we're going to start with a shuffle. I'm going to pick out 4 moves. And we're going to do a Tabata with those 4 moves. 20 seconds on, 10 seconds off, and then you get a minute rest. It's a lot to take in, but don't worry if you're new, you will pick it up. If you are new, the good thing about working from home is you can choose how much you do. So you don't need to worry what people think because no one can see you. You can do 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes or 40 minutes. This is the beauty of Hiit, you can choose, and each one you do is going to be effective, and then you can add on a bit more time next time. 1 minute to go team, I hope that makes sense. Hi Helen! My back's hurt from leaning it. Yeah, so if my tripod falls off the table, just give me a minute and I will retrieve it. That was my dad, like, have you got internet? Internet, is it working? I was like, yeah, we're all good. Right, are we ready to go? I think it must be 7 now. Yeah, let's get warm. Okay, jog on the spot. Relax those shoulders, team, let's go. I'm gonna turn up the volume, keep jogging. Keep jogging. Good, lift the heels to the butt. All you 20 viewers. Someone do a screenshot now. Let's go. Lockdown number 2, we're ready for you. Nothing's gonna stop us. Knee to elbow. 1, switch, 2. This is working up the core. Double knee. 2. Good. Lift the heart rate up. And remember to smile. Woo. 2 more. 1 more. And jump. Are you warm yet? Is the heart rate up? Not yet. Nearly. Single lunges. 1, drop, and switch. Good. Push the front knee out. Chest up. Speed up. 1, switch. Squeeze the core. Chest up. How are the legs? Heavy weight. Box in. 1, 2. Wake up those shoulders. Yes, team. Oh. Faster. Here we go, team. Bit of a different bonfire night from the last. But we're still going to smile because we're alive and that's awesome. Single hooks. 1, 2. Elbow up. Lift the heel, yeah? Squeeze the core. 4, 3. Back to the jog. How are we feeling? Are we in the zone yet? Come on, positive mind. Fit health. Last move. Jacks. Or you can tap. You choose. This is your workout. Good. Woo. Heels down. When you're ready, reach up. Finish it. Power up. Here we go, team. We've got this. We're in this together. 4, 3, 2, jog. Grab a drink. Well done, everyone. Oh, don't worry, Lauren. Okay, round 1, shuffle. So your heart rate should be up. Breathe in a little heavier. We have frog jumps. Tricep push-ups. I'm going to shuffle it again, not feeling this. Mountain climber push-ups. And tug jumps. Are you ready? Okay. So frog jumps. You come down to the floor. You jump in and out. You can walk it if you want. 20 seconds on. 10 seconds off. So you can jump or you can walk. Come on, let's do it. It's good to get the hardest move out of the way. 20 seconds, let's go. In, out. I want you to keep the hips low, yeah? In line with the shoulders to engage that core. Well done. Hips down.
3, 2, 1.
Good.
Rest.
Next move.
Complete.
It's actually tricep push-up taps. Okay? So you go down,
Prepare.
tap,
And
or pull it back. Tap. Go! Nice! Well done. Weight in the front. Elbows to the back of the room. Good team. Stay with it. Tap the shoulder. Woo!
3, 2, 1.
Good.
Rest.
Next move.
2,
Mountain climber push-up. Okay? So you push, then pop the knee.
2,
Knees on toes.
2, 1.
Well
Rest.
done.
Cycle
Next
3
move.
complete.
You can squat if you want to, or we've got tuck jumps. Make sure you land soft.
And
You ready? Go. Yes! Here we go. Woo! Bend the knees as you land, and land super, super soft. Protect the back. Nearly there, hold on to it. Options here.
2, 1. Rest. Cycle 4.
50% done. Back to the top. Frog jumps. Just do it.
Prepare and
Go! Remember you can walk it if you want to. Keep going. Come on, don't give in.
3, 2, 1.
Well done.
Rest.
Okay, fatigue's kicking in. It's down to you. Tricep push up. Tap.
Prepare
Hands
and
under shoulders. Go. Squeeze the core tight. Well done. Don't miss a rep. Keep pushing. When you tap, hips square. Woo.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Well done.
Cycle 6.
Okay,
complete.
2 rounds. Mountain, push up. If you've got a surfer, you can do it on the
Prepare
surfer if you want.
And work.
Go! Come on! This is Simon's favourite move. He likes this move, don't you, Simon? Don't miss a rep. Come on. 1, pop. 2, pop. Keep going. Nearly there. 2 more.
3, 2, 1.
Good.
Rest. Cycle 7.
1 more.
complete.
Do not give in. 20 seconds. Do it for you, not me. Tuck
Prepare
jumps.
and
Finish it. Good. So the knees come up. The chest is up. Come on. Can you push through fatigue? Right now. Hold on.
3,
2 more.
2, 1.
Yes.
Tabata 5. Complete. Recover for 1 minute.
Well done. 1 down. Rest and recover. Okay, I'm gonna take them out and shuffle again. 4 new moves, are you ready? Cross jacks. So this is here. V crunches. Jab cross double, so that's 1, 2, double. And then a rugby run. Oh, this is a nice one. Okay. Heart rate's come back down now. It's up to you to shoot it back up. It's all low impact apart from the first one. If you don't want impact, tap, tap, squat.
Get
Okay.
ready for Tabata 2.
Same format, 2010, yeah? Are we ready? How are we doing, Sonia? How are we doing, Chris? New people, stay with us.
3,
Cross jacks,
1.
go. Alternate the legs. Good, this is HIIT training. So you move quick to get the heart rate up and burn calories. Come on. That's it.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Well done, come down to the floor. V crunches. This means you make a V and then push out. You can do single legs if you want. Go! Really squeeze the core, and when you extend the legs out, lean back. That's it. Nice deep breath.
3, 2, 1.
Well done.
Cycle 2.
Okay, next move. We have 1, 2, double. 1, 2, double.
2.
Hit me!
Work.
got a rugby run. The feet go wide, the hips go back, the chest is up.
And
Fast feet, go. How many calories do you want to burn? You can lift the arms for more, or stay here. Halfway, 10 seconds. Faster. Woo.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Is the heart rate up?
Complete.
50% done. 50% to go. Cross jacks.
Prepare and
Go.
work.
Oh yes. Well done. Push to your limit. Drain the tank. Right now. And the trumpets, there you go. Hop, hop. Come on, go, go, go.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 5. Complete.
It's starting to work. V crunches.
Prepare and
Go. 1, 2, nice. Option. Single legs if you're new. Good. Squeeze the core. 2 more. 1,
3,
2.
1. Rest. Cycle 6 complete.
2 more. 1, 2, double. I want you to give me something else. Speed or power. Go. Come on. Strong arms. Strong shoulders. Do not slow down. Keep going. Woo.
3, 2,
1 more.
1. Rest.
I love that move.
Complete.
Hi Jess. Oh bless you. Rugby run. Feet wide.
And
Go. Can you get deeper? Woo. Commit to a speed and stay with it. This is your last move. Good. Amazing. Come on. Go. Speed up.
2, 1.
Woo.
Tabata 2 complete.
Well
Recover
done.
For 1 minute.
How are we doing? If you're new, you can leave it there if you want. 10 minutes done. Bear taps. Ski jump. Lateral shuffle, touch floor. And a shuffle. So the bear taps, your knees are an inch off the floor. Your knees are this far off the floor. You can hold in that position or you can tap. It's up to you. Are we all okay? Are we good?
Get ready for Tabata 3.
Okay, so we're starting on the floor. Bear crawl taps. Are you ready?
4, 3,
Strong position.
1.
Go.
Work.
Hands under shoulders. And when you tap, try not to twist. Keep that body really solid and still. Well done. Oh, thanks, Jordan. That's good.
3, 2, 1.
Stop. Well done. Next move is a ski jump or a ski step. Are you ready?
Prepare and
Go.
work.
If you have been doing this for a while and you think, actually, this is quite all right, that just means that you're getting fitter. So keep going. Or push. Come on.
3, 2, 1.
Good.
Rest.
Your next move,
2.
I'm going to show you on the screen, but you're going to travel further. You're going to lateral shuffle, touch the floor.
2, 1.
Travel, go. So you're shooting up and shooting down. If you haven't got the space, you're on the spot. Yeah? Good. Keep moving. Hello. Goodbye.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 3 complete.
Okay, last move is a shuffle. Chest up, bend the knees.
And
Are you ready?
work.
Go! Chest is up. Shoulders back. Ask yourself a question. Could you be going quicker? If you could, then why aren't you? Almost there.
2, 1. Rest. Cycle 4 complete.
Halfway, ready? Bear taps. Can you speed it up? Really squeeze the core.
Prepare and
Go! 1, 2. Come on, it's only for 20 seconds. If you want results, you've got to put in the work. Get out your comfort zone. Deep breath. Nearly there.
3,
4.
2, 1. Rest. Cycle 5 complete.
Well done. You're going to be at the end of this next Tabata before you know it. So just get out your comfort zone.
Prepare
Ski jumps.
and work.
Or step it. But move the arms quick. Come on. Squeeze the core. Knees up, up, up. Woo! Stay with it.
2, 1. Rest. Cycle 6.
2 moves. How are we doing? How are my newbies? Are you good? Lateral shuffle.
And
Go! Can you make it quick? Up, up, down, up, up, down, up, up, down. Fast. Come on. Stay with that. Come on, 2 more.
2, 1. Rest. Cycle 7.
A shuffle is quite easy to do slow. Don't let it happen. I want it to be uncomfortable.
And
Go! Come on, drive! I want steam coming off your trainers! More! Awesome! Come on, keep going! Breathe.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Tabata 3 complete.
Well done.
Recover for 1 minute.
Grab a drink. You've got a minute. How are we all doing? You ready for more? It's gonna get super quick now. Okay, we have running man, lunge knee, right and left, high knee run, and a squat pulse. Okay, breathe. 1, 2, 3. We've only done 3. Okay, so running man, you can do it here, or you flick the heels up. Ready? Deep breaths. Well done for getting this done, by the way. When it's dark and cold outside, it takes determination, is
Get
the word
ready
I'm
for
looking
Tabata
for. Woo! This music's so good, I'm gonna turn it up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Running man, go! Come on! Now we're in the game! Faster! Woo-hoo!
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 1
Lunge
complete.
knee. Right, then left. Wake up the butt
Prepare
and the hamstrings.
and work.
Remember to switch legs. Right, then left. Hello. Jump high. Lunge low.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 2.
High knee run. Challenge. Knee to hip in every rep.
2, 1.
Go.
Work.
Keep them up. You can march if you want to, but the knees still come up. Woo!
one. Rest. Cycle 3.
Well done. Next move. Squat pulls. Here. Are you ready?
Prepare and
Go. Knees out. Chest up. Guess what? Lower. Drop.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 4 complete.
Halfway. Are you ready? Breathe. Running man.
Prepare.
Oh, running woman.
Work.
Go. Come on, me and you. Can you go quicker than me?
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 5 complete.
Lunge knees. Come on. Don't let
Prepare
fatigue win.
and
Go. Pop the knee up. Back knee an inch off the floor. And keep a bend in the legs.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 6 complete.
What have you got left? We have 2 moves. High knee run.
Prepare
Yeah.
and work.
Faster than the last time. Pump the arms. Keep the knees up. Lean back slightly. Go, go, go.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle
Well
7
done.
complete.
Squat pulse. Deep breaths. Believe in
Prepare
yourself.
and
Go. Up. To the beat. This is activating small muscle groups. Drop.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Tabata 8 complete.
Well done.
Recover for 1 minute.
Okay. I'm going to throw in a firework round, okay? We've got 4 moves. Your first firework is a rocket launcher. Your second one, we're getting out the sparklers. And we're going to jump and make little circles. Third move is a massive, massive firework. Boom! Boom! And then you know them pretty sprinkly ones? One of these. Yeah? Like what I did there? It's going to be tough. Lots of options there. If you don't want to jump, wait for the option. This was Holly's idea, and I liked it. So thanks, Holly. Right, are we ready?
Welcome to Tabata. Get ready for round 1.
We're halfway through your workout, by the way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. See you on the other side. Woo! Keep smiling. Keep pushing.
5, 4,
2 up.
3, 2, 1. Round 2.
You can write your name if you want.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ah! Come on. Woohoo!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
My arms.
Round 3,
Front jumps.
4,
Or tap.
3,
Or
2,
squat.
1.
on fire!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One more.
Round
Option.
5,
Here
4,
or here.
3, 2, 1.
Come on. Squeeze the bum as you lift. Don't give in now. Ah. If you're here, get down. Nearly there. Hold on to it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The next one is a Catherine wheel. Now I'm jerking. Back to the rocket launchers.
1.
Go! Come on! Set that body alive! What you got left? Give it to me!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Round 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Option! It's here, yeah? Come on, fast! Fast arms! Woo!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I've got the giggles!
5,
Tuck jumps or really deep squats?
1.
Come on! Like you're on a trampoline! Mind off! Body on! Come on, 4 more!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
One more move. It's gonna be tough,
5,
but we're made of tough stuff. Are you in?
1.
Come on! Big firework! Extend those arms, extend those legs. Keep breathing.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Well done. Back to the shuffle. Okay. Grab a drink, team. Are you all okay? Please, if you're new and you can't go on, that just means that you've worked really hard and that's good. Sit this next one out if you want to. Shuffle, drop lunge, ladder run, half burpees. I'm shuffling. And a jump forward. Okay? So your shuffle drop lunge is here, or you can march and step back. Ladder run, we know that one. Half burpees, you can squat if you want. Well done, Tracy. And then we're gonna jump forward, okay? So you're simply just jumping into it like that, or you're marching. Are we ready for the next one?
Welcome to Tabata. Get ready for round 1.
Tabata number 6 out of 8. That's true, Simon.
5,
Shuffle, drop, lunge, or march,
2,
lunge.
1.
Alternate the legs. Right, then left. So we move quick, and then we sink it low. Woo-hoo!
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, ladder run. You can match it
2,
or run it.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on. Hit training is about getting out your comfort zone, even when you're starting to fatigue. So just do it. More.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Jump or
Round 3.
march.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Keep that chest up. Bend the knees low. Drop. Halfway.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Time to dig deep.
4,
Find that petrol to keep you going. Shuffle lunge.
1.
Grit the teeth, team. Ah. Faster. Come on.
5,
Drop.
4,
Drop.
3, 2, 1.
Stay with me. Come on.
Now,
Ladder run.
5,
Don't leave me.
3, 2, 1.
Sink it. Hips, shoulders, square. Squeeze the abs. Come on. Crank it up. Ah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And 6, 5, 4,
Jump forward.
2, 1.
Go. Can you drop lower? Really sink it into the legs.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Last one.
Now,
We're gonna do it twice.
5,
Half burpees.
3, 2, 1.
So you push back, you pop up. Oh, squat jump. Come on. Hop. Hop.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Same again.
Last
I missed it out.
5,
Are you ready?
3,
One more time.
2, 1.
Make it count. If you're new, team, then you can walk this move. Step and lift. Keep going. Do not stop now.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
I'm feeling evil. I'm going to throw in another firework. Okay? We're going to do it the other way around this time. So we've got air jacks, tug jumps, ski, and rocket. Are we all okay? So there's 2 more, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Hang on. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. There's 2 more. Are you all okay? Are you sweating? Okay, so we're going to the air jacks. Have you recovered? Okay, if you don't want to jump,
Get ready for Tabata.
that is absolutely fine. Nasty. Lindsay likes nasty. No, we haven't. We've done 6.
4,
I just
3,
counted.
2, 1.
Let's go!
Work.
Come on, blast it! Oh!
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 1 complete.
Tug jumps!
Prepare and work.
Stay with it! Grit your teeth! And go! 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 Come on! 2 more!
1. Rest. Cycle 2 complete.
Ski jump. Circle the arms.
2, 1. Work.
Oh, you're here.
Three, two, one. Rest. Cycle 3 complete.
Rocket launches. Are you ready? Don't give in.
Prepare and work.
Go! You're halfway nearly. Come on. Keep pushing. I promise we only have one more left. Come on. Don't stop.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 4 complete.
Halfway. Woo! Air jumps.
Prepare.
Jump higher. It feels nasty as it starts to work. It's working. These rounds are the ones that count.
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 5.
Come on, hold on to that last little bit in your heart. Results are happening right now.
Prepare and work.
Just do it. Finish this workout knowing you're giving it your best.
Three, two, one. Rest. Cycle 6 complete.
2 more. Come on, team. I know you can.
And work.
Come on. Stay with it. Deep breath. Ah!
3, 2, 1. Rest. Cycle 7 complete. Prepare and work.
Come on, one more.
Three, two, one. Rest. To
Okay.
8 complete. Recover
I'm gonna
for
shuffle.
1 minute.
Are you ready? I'm not having that one. I got it again. It's meant to be. Snowboards. Agility 3-step. Spider climbers. Power knees. There was some fireworks going off, but they've gone now. They're not mine. They're nothing to do with my family, but okay. So for the snowboard, you're here, or you step it. Final one. Are you ready? Pretty. Okay. You've got a little rest now. Breathe. Last one. Yeah? Can you see the steam coming off me?
3, 2,
Squeeze the core, bend the knees. Woo! Stay with it. If you're here, hit the range. Get the reps in. Do that.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, agility 3 steps. 1, 2. You can march or step.
1.
Go! You can match it, or you can jump. Knee to chest. Stay with it. Here we are. Come on.
2, 1.
4 moves away from the finish line.
3, 2,
Are you ready? Go. Really squeeze the core, or you'll hurt your back. Don't stop. Just drop down a level if you need to.
3, 2, 1.
Are you ready? Are you steady?
3, 2, 1.
Come on. Chest up. Woo. Hop, 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 hop. Lift the knee.
3, 2, 1.
2 more. What are you gonna do? Are you gonna give in? No. Stay with me. Spiders.
1.
Go. If you need to step it, please do. Two more.
2, 1.
We made it. Nearly. One more. Power knees.
2, 1.
Everything you got. Give it to me now. What you got left? Ah! Come on. Ah!
3, 2, 1.
You are awesome. Whoa. Oh my God. Are you all okay? Let's stretch and cool down. Okay, what music should we have? This one. Just march. Woo. Who's joining me in the morning at 7? Oh, Teresa, well done. Okay, shoulder stretch. Nice little bend in the arm. Gently just pull it across. Oh, well done. I love you all so much. It's Bonfire night. We had to get back to it with a bang. Switch. Yay, well done, Hannah. I love your Instagram posts, by the way. Okay, quad stretch. It was yours, Holly. All yours. You can blame Holly for that. What is that noise? Hamstring. Oh, thanks, Alice. Switch. Well done, weight on the bent leg. Thanks, Sophie, well done. Reach up. Reach out. Set your alarm now for the morning. Come on, just do it. Arms round. Haha, thanks, Michelle. Did you like my Catherine wheel? That's weird, I just went Catherine Wheel and then a Catherine logged in. Hello. And switch. Yay. Okay, deep breath in. And again. One more. Well done, everybody. Awesome effort. Absolutely amazing. I'm going to see if I can see some fireworks outside for you. I can hear some. No, maybe not. They're far away. No. Any questions or anything, let me know. If you think of anything when I've logged off, just message me and I will answer them best I can. So tomorrow morning, 7 o'clock, and then the next workout is Sunday. We've got the 2-hour HIT. It's for charity. It's going to be 20 minutes, a little break, 20 minutes, a little break. So like four different workouts. And then I'm doing the raffle on the Sunday night. So I'm going to go live and I'm going to draw the raffle. So yeah, I hope you're all okay. Thank you so much for joining me. And I